Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying devices and enabling the core radios. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone. Open Settings Connected Devices Nearby Share and enable it. On the laptop, open Nearby Share or the built-in sharing center and enable visibility. Choose Contacts or Everyone depending on who you'll accept from. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same local network or have Bluetooth range. This prepares both endpoints, so discovery and pairing can be. Now you perform the discovery and pairing sequence. On the phone, pick the file or files, tap Share, then choose Nearby Share. Your phone will scan for nearby devices. On the laptop, keep the Nearby Share window open so it appears in discovery lists, then accept the phone when it shows up. Make sure to select the preferred transfer method, Wi-Fi for speed, Bluetooth for small items, and confirm permissions. Once paired, transfers will queue and start automatically. Monitor progress in the notification area. Finish by accepting the transfer on both your phone and laptop and verifying the files landed in the laptop downloads or configured folder. If the transfer stalls, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and retry, then restart the Nearby Share service or app on each device. If devices don't discover each other, set visibility to everyone briefly or add each device as a contact. Finally, make sure both devices run the latest OS updates. Outdated Nearby Share implementations can cause compatibility problems and block transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.